Today we're going to look at how to derive the area of a trapezoid. We're going to look at using two shapes that we already know to make this area. So to start with, we want to draw a diagonal from this upper left-hand corner down to this bottom right corner, just like this. So this diagonal here creates two triangles, this one right here and this one up here. And we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So we will use that formula to use the areas of these triangles. So first, let's take a look at this triangle down here. We're going to use this length, and this is going to be our base. And so we're going to call it base 1 for our first triangle. And then we just need our height, and to create the height, we're going to draw an altitude from this vertex up here down, creating a perpendicular line to the base. So it looks like this. And this is our height. So the area of this first triangle right here is 1/2 base times base 1 times the height. So now we want to look at the triangle up here. This segment right here is what we're going to use as our base, and we're going to call it base 2. So we'll draw that in up here. And then this time to find the height, to create the perpendicular, we actually need to extend this base over here to be able to create it. So it looks like this. To create our height. And this height is actually the same length as this height over here. And one thing to point out is that this part that we added on here does not count as part of our base. Our base is still just from this vertex to this vertex over here. So now we can use this for the area of our second triangle, in which we have 1/2 base 2 times the height. So now we have these two parts of our formula, and if we look at it, we can see that both of these triangles added together are going to give us the area of the total trapezoid, so we can add them. Both of these parts of the equation both have a 1/2 and both have an h, so we can actually pull those out to where our formula becomes 1/2 times the height times base 1 plus base 2 added together.